Hey guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to hide tags on your Instagram story, right? So let's go ahead and create a story. So I'm going to tap on the plus on my profile here on the uppermost right hand side. That will take me into the option to create stories, and I have a bunch of pictures and videos here. As you can see, there are some videos of my son. I'm going to use this one, which is 5 seconds. So I'm going to tap on this video. It's a little video of him watching some kid playing football. And in order to add a mention or add tags to this story, I'm going to go ahead and click on the A for the letters on the uppermost options here at the top. Now, as you can see there, it shows you that if you use the hat sign, you are able to use mentions. You can either press the mention button there, or you can simply find that on your keyboard and simple type the mention. Now, I'm going to simple type my personal profile here. As you can see, there are a bunch of profiles. I'm going to tap on my profile there. Then I'm going to click the down button here underneath the keyboard. And I'm going to simply hold on this name here, which is the tags here. And I'm going to simply drag it around down to the bottom here so that it's hidden. So it's not in the drag to the bin, but underneath so that it's not visible. But it's still there, right? Now, once I'm done, guys, I'm going to simply click on your story, and that's going to add it to the story. So give it a moment for it to post. Let me go ahead and click on it. It's still posting there, as you can see. But once the story is finished posting, I will get a notification because I have both accounts signed in, right? There you see it, guys. And that's one indication to show that it is like adding me into that story. And if I go ahead and I click, for example, the story again, you can see that it is posted and I'm not able to see like the at or the tags, right? So if I go ahead and click to my messages here, you can see from the primary messages that there is a mention. So if I open that, you see, guys, right there, the time is the same. As you can see, it's 3:12, and it shows the story. So if I tap on that, it's there, right? So perfect, guys. So that's how you basically do it, guys, by simple hide tags on your Instagram story. So really hope you find this useful, guys. And if you do, don't forget to give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and go ahead and hit the subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release another video just like this one. Thank you very much, and see you next time.